Good morning, everyone. It is an exciting day around here. We are going to start decorating for Christmas in the main part of the house. So you might have already seen my video decorating the bedroom, but we have not done any other areas of the house. The boys are even dressed in their Christmas outfits. Where are you going, mister? And Levi's got his Christmas sweater on. Very nice.
And like a guy on?
Yeah, and Henny's got his Christmas outfit on. So this video is not a traditional clean and decorate. It's more of a reorganize and decorate. The living room is just packed full of stuff, and to decorate I really need to put some stuff away or get rid of things. So we are going to clean and organize the living room so that we can actually decorate. I'll show you a bit of a before because it's really full. So here's a little before. It is pretty messy, but this is real life, so I'm going to show how it is at the moment. And so some of this storage is going to have to move into the back room. I don't have a lot of room back there, but hopefully by taking out Christmas items that will make a little more space. And maybe even some of the furniture, because I don't know how I'm going to fit in a Christmas tree and other Christmas decor in this current setup. So we started off with a quick tidy. I got Levi to help because I figure it was a lot of his mess anyways. I then started finding the items that would have to move into the back room for storage or just get rid of. And then it was rearrange the furniture to make room for the Christmas stuff. And perhaps it seems random, but my husband keeps his barn clothes in the living room, and they were everywhere, so I was refolding up all the barn clothes so that at least they wouldn't look so messy. So it is the next day. It did take us the whole day pretty much off and on to get this room cleaned up and reorganized, but it looks so much better. So that's the corner there. That will be more of the toy corner. We've got all the books on the shelf, the toys in their bins. I folded up all of my husband's work clothes, moved the chair over here. We ended up putting the couch in front of the window, along with the little table beside it. We put Levi's play table in the middle of the room as kind of the coffee table. And this stuff is not quite as different. I mean, the rocking chair is still here and this shelf, but I now have the desk over here. And I know this is not beautiful, but this is kind of my workstation here. So that's sort of my informal desk. And Levi's got his play kitchen there. And then in this corner, I am going to set up the Jolly Jumper. And when we get a tree at Christmas time, we will set up the live tree in that corner. So, dual purpose corner. For some reason, I always think I don't have that much Christmas stuff. Then when I take everything out, I'm like, oh, there's more than I thought. And to be honest, I almost wonder if I'm missing a box. I've got 2 boxes and then a lot of loose items, which is not that handy, but is what it is. But I almost think, do I have a 3rd box somewhere? So, we'll see. So someday I want to get really nice stockings, but for now I'm quite happy. This one here and this one here, my husband and I had from when we got married. And then last year, I guess 2 years ago, I bought Levi this one. And then this year I went back to the dollar store, because these are from the dollar store. $3, not $1, but I was like, I want one that's also snowman for him if I can. And I picked up this red one, and I was like, I hope it's not the same one that I already have, but it's not. So we are good. Everyone's got a little snowman on their stocking. And now, what everyone's been waiting for, time to decorate. So we are starting with this little fake tree. I actually love this tree because we like to get a real tree for our large size tree, and we usually don't get that until December. So at least by putting up this tree, it feels festive, and we've already got a little tree up early in the season. So I don't know whether to blame the tangled mess of lights on storage or on my toddler who loves playing with the lights. But either way, I think I spent half my time trying to detangle these. Look how appropriate it is to be decorating for Christmas today. It's snowing. See the snow on me? I just went out to check on Henry, who is sleeping outside. I know, sounds crazy, but he is all bundled up and he's doing okay. So, yeah. Alrighty, you're gonna set it up. So that's Joseph. He goes in the barn. Good job. And Mary, she goes in the barn. And baby Jesus goes in the barn. Wow, you did a good job. What are you playing?
Farmers.
Farmers?
Dad.
That's Dad?
Yeah.
You got the nativity?
Dad, Mama.
Dad's a farmer?
Yeah.
Be gentle with them, right?
Taco.
Yikes. Levi also decided it was a good idea to use the lights to fix the wheels on his tractors. So, you know you're raising a farm kid when. Here is the finished product of the living room. I'm sorry, lighting-wise, it's hard to do because you're looking into windows. But we've got the tree here. I didn't do much for decorating. It has pine cones already on it. Let's see, so I just added this burlap kind of thing to it. I would maybe somebody like to have a little topper on it, just something rustic. I think that would be cute. And we did some garland on the top here. Just added lights to it. Really liking the greenery this year. And this is sort of my Advent station here. So we've got Advent like candy chocolate. And on this side, I'm going to put in all of the gifts. So I'm doing a book for each day for the boys to open, and so that's going to go in there. I'm hearing some noise that's coming from this guy. He's rather excited at the moment. So then on this side over here, I rearranged my picture frames on the wall and added the Let It Snow. In fall, I had one up there and I really liked it, so I decided to kind of go with that again. I let Levi put these up here, as you saw, so it's not necessarily the way I would exactly decorate it, but that's sort of how we have the nativity scene, and then just, you know, some other little decorations beside. Up here I've got these lights here. I kind of like to think of these as my Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer lights, because those red ones remind me of that. So those are up above the window. And moving along, I have got just like some pine cones and lights in this pretty little bowl here on top of the trunks. And then up on top I've got this shelf decorated. I really love this because I'm a real big fan of the gold and the white. So I've got the bottle brush trees, this joy sign. Most of this is actually from Target. Last year? No, the year before. Little candle there. Then I have our stockings. Again, someday I would like nicer stockings. These are just from the dollar store, but for right now they work just fine. So under the TV I have got this beautiful Christmas tablecloth. It is a little bit small for my table. I could do it, but I don't like it to get wrecked. It is definitely vintage and one of my favorite Christmas possessions. And in the window here we have this beautiful wreath. This is one that I made. Again, lighting wise, it's very hard to show you. At least if I do it close up, you can kind of see. Well, thanks guys for watching. If you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe because I will be doing a decorate for this hosier cabinet and you don't want to miss it.